Welcome. Imagine you're a big wind turbine in an open field. You yell, "Look at me, I'm a wind turbine." As the day quickly approaches, your blades begin to pitch as you rotate towards the upcoming wind. Today's your big day. You're a new turbine, brand new. You were just installed last week. You feel oh so excited. Here comes the wind. You yell, "I'm so excited. Here comes the wind." You begin to spin. You can't hold back the joy you currently feel. Enjoy yourself, you big turbine looking boy.